Hi everybody, Phil Dolan here. I'm going to be giving you a very quick run-through tutorial on Google Drive and a collaborative document that we might be using to collect some ideas and some thoughts about some of the things that are coming up. So in your emails shortly, if you haven't gotten it already, you're going to see a link that looks just like this. So I'm going to click on that so we can see what it looks like. And you'll see we have a Google Drive dedicated to the Media and Fine Arts department. So there's three things here: a collaborative document, which we'll talk about in a minute, this peer feedback form that we might use, and just any other things that we might share. This is something that Dr. Britton did, a couple days ago and shared with somebody else. So once you click on that link, you'll be brought to this page. You do not have to sign in, not required. You can, and I'll show you that in a second, but let's pretend that you don't have a Google account and you're not going to sign in. So I'm going to click on our collaborative document, open that up. You'll see what's been created here. We've been talking about our department SLO. So we took some time and just kind of came up with some ideas here that you can look at. And from here, we're going to open this page. So we're going to go up to the top, and it's going to say open, so we're going to click on that. Now we're within the document itself. So this is open now for comments and thoughts, suggestions, anything like that. So again, you do not have to sign in. I have not signed in yet over here, and I'm still allowed to make comments. So we're going to go down and make an example. Let's take interpreting. We're going to highlight that, and we're going to insert a comment. So what I'm going to do is go up to this little tab right here that says insert comment. I'm going to click on that. Right now it'll say anonymous because, again, I'm not signed in. And I'm going to write something like, what does that mean? Just to give an example, and I'm going to comment on it. So now every time you go back in and you look at this, you'll see these little comments along the side frame here. Any questions? I don't like this. Maybe we could do this, reword this. Any kind of thoughts that anybody might have. So let's pretend that we said, okay, we figured out what that is. We're going to resolve that comment, and then it goes away. All right. So this is one way to have a collaborative doc for us to look at throughout the course of the year, especially when it comes to SLOs and any other kind of important information. Okay, so I'm going to go backwards a little bit, and we're going to take this now, and you've opened up the link, and now we're going to, if you have a Google account, we're going to sign in. So I'm going to click the sign in button, and I'm going to use the Amity Band version, password. Then from here, you see where your login information is. Then it'll say open in Drive. From here, I'm just going to click on that. And it's going to take my shared document and folder and put it right into the Google Drive already for you. So now every time you log into Google and you go to your Google Drive, all this information will be here. You don't have to have that link anymore. And any updates or collaborations or thoughts, anything that comes up will automatically be there. So for example, we were in it just a few minutes ago, and we were making some comments and things. All right, and here again, now that I'm signed in, I can still do all the same work. I can still comment. I can still do all that other kind of stuff. But what I like about it is that over the course of time, as you're looking at it, you'll see some of the activity. So there's some things along the side here, things that were added, somebody commented, and whatever. And I also like when we comment within this as a signed in thing. I'll just give you a quick glance. We're going to comment. Now you'll see who the person is that is commenting, right? So that's kind of a cool feature. We know that so-and-so commented on this particular section. Okay, so that is a very quick overview of Google Docs. And if you have any questions or thoughts or comments, you can certainly email me, come down and ask me a question. And I really hope this helps, and I hope you guys have a great year. Take care.